What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another airport update. Today we have a special Colorado Springs airport update, and we will get into that later. But today we are also joined by a special guest, which is
MileHigh Aviation.
So yeah, go subscribe to him. We've done a few collabs in the past. We just decided to do another one since it's been a while. So yeah, we're going to get onto this airplane, and then we'll go to what's special about this airport update. So if you do like this content or this aviation content, make sure to leave a like and hit that big red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because it really supports me. And yeah, we'll get straight into it, starting off with this United Express ERJ-175. This is departing out to Denver, Colorado. So as many of you probably know, about one airport update ago, maybe two, I did a American 757. This was because they came here to help the families of the fallen soldiers, and they took them to, where was it? Oh yeah, Disneyland. So I guess because this airplane's been here, I wanted to do like a send-off, because as most of you know, American is retiring their 757. So this American 757 is doing a final flight out to Roswell. As you can see, it's getting the water cannon salute by the fire trucks. And yeah, we'll get on to the next one.
Next up is a FedEx 757-200F out for a flight to Memphis today.
The next aircraft in this airport update is a United Express CRJ-200. This aircraft is pushing back for Denver. Really, all the United, like, smaller routes, even the A319s and A320s, are all going to Denver at the moment. Although they do go to, like, 3 other destinations, just because of this whole thing going around. They seem to be sending them to Denver. On that note, the next 3 weekends, I'll be out of town. So I'm going to pre-film the airport updates, and then I'll do my best to make it at the premiere. I'll be in Utah one weekend. I'll be in Grand Lake the other 2 weekends. But I should still get daily content out, or not daily, but Tuesday, Friday, 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time. So yeah, let's go on to the next plane.
Right here we have a United ERJ-145 out for a flight to Chicago ORD.
Here we have a United Express. This is operating as a CRJ-700, even though it's a 550. You can't tell the difference. This will be heading out to Los Angeles, California.
Next up is a United Airbus A319 out to Denver.
And here we have a Frontier Airbus A320. I don't know what livery this is in, but as you can see, the stupid jetway just decides to fall off, and I'm not going to do anything about it because I already tried. This will be heading out to Orlando. Then we have a Frontier Airbus A320 in the Griswold the Bear livery, getting cargo on, or bags on, as you can probably see. So I think during this winter they do the Neo and the 320, and then during the summer they do the 320 and 321. But anyway, this A320 will be heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor.
Next up is a American AirCal 737-800 in the retro library. This aircraft's going to be departing out for a flight to Phoenix Sky Harbor. The final passengers are being loaded on and all that stuff.
Here we have a American Eagle E175. This is getting final passengers on and cargo loaded on for a non-stop flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth. They do the E175 alternated on the 737-800 for this route, but during this time they're doing obviously a smaller aircraft because of less demand. And here we have a Delta 737-800. This aircraft is getting final crew and service getting done on the aircraft for a non-stop departure out to Salt Lake City. I hope you guys did enjoy this Colorado Springs airport update. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell because it really supports me and this channel. And I did hope you enjoyed this special scene with the American 757. There will be future things with Colorado Springs where special things are inserted into the video because they do a lot of high altitude testing here. So example, we've gotten the 787, 777, I'm hoping maybe we'll get the 777X, because that'd be really nice to see. I wouldn't be surprised, actually, because this airport's a little higher than Denver, and it's less popular, so it'd be easier for high altitude testing. Anyway, this was a really fun airport update, and I'd like to thank Airspace Aviation for joining us. Do you have anything you want to say?
Subscribe to MileHigh Aviation, and also like the video. Also later on tomorrow on Saturday there will be a video of LAX on my channel with a collaboration with MileHigh Aviation, so make sure you go check that out. Thanks for watching, I guess.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys I see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure what it is going to be yet. I did get a lot of progress done on Honolulu. On Tuesday it will be a how to make a model airport, and then on Friday it might possibly be the first ever airport update, depending on how much work I get done. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.